A modern concrete house with a spacious open-plan kitchen area that seamlessly integrates with a lush tropical garden. The kitchen features light beige/tan cabinets, pale orange backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. Large sliding glass doors allow for a natural flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. The garden is filled with vibrant orange and red flowers, various tropical plants, and large leafy plants. The concrete walls and roof of the house create a neutral backdrop against the green foliage. The image is hyperrealistic, with detailed textures. Soft warm-toned lighting highlights the space, casting a pleasant ambience. The setting is a tropical or subtropical climate. A modern outdoor kitchen and living space, nestled amidst mature trees in a desert landscape. Large open-plan area with a contemporary, minimalist aesthetic. The kitchen, built of stone and wood, features a stainless steel appliances and a dark gray countertop. Full-length glass windows and sliding doors provide views of a living room with fireplace and a furnished outdoor patio. The outdoor space flows seamlessly into a large, rectangular swimming pool with a light gray stone/tile deck. 2 lounge chairs are positioned near the pool's edge. The colors are predominantly warm earth tones, beige, tan, grays, browns, and blacks. A modern, minimalist Japanese-style house nestled within a lush forest. Hyperrealistic rendering. Large windows offer a stunning view of the surrounding greenery. The house features a dark gray exterior and light wood interior accents. A spacious, open-plan kitchen, complete with light wooden cabinets and sleek countertops, is visible through the sliding glass doors. A raised wooden deck, with comfortable seating, extends from the house's exterior. A tranquil water feature with smooth rocks and flowing water surrounds the house. Muted greens and browns dominate the color palette, with hints of warm earthy tones. Natural elements are central to the design. A spacious, open-air living area with a modern, minimalist design. An outdoor kitchen and dining area seamlessly integrate with the rest of the house, all under a covered wooden pergola. The scene is set in a lush tropical/subtropical garden oasis. The colors are warm and earthy, with tones of light brown, beige, gray, and dark, rich greens. The materials used are natural, such as concrete, wood, stone, and various greenery. The overall impression is one of calm, sophistication, and relaxation. Include a beautiful cascading waterfall feature leading into a swimming pool. The decor and furnishings are simple, elegant, and blend seamlessly with the natural environment. A spacious, light-filled, organically shaped concrete home, akin to a modern cave dwelling. The interior is a blend of light gray concrete walls with sculpted, flowing forms, creating a sense of natural harmony. Brown-toned wood cabinetry and countertops contrast beautifully with the concrete, complemented by lush green planters and herbs adorning the kitchen and built-in shelves. Multiple arched windows and large curved openings throughout showcase a lush, verdant landscape. The interior design evokes a serene, natural aesthetic with a touch of modernism. The style is hyper-realistic, capturing the texture of the concrete and the details of the plants. A modern, open-concept, concrete house with a large deck. The house is nestled within a lush, green garden, with trees and foliage surrounding it. The house has a light gray concrete exterior and a wooden interior, featuring a kitchen with wooden cabinets and a dining area. Large glass sliding doors allow for seamless transition between the interior and the outdoor deck space. The deck has a light brown wooden floor and soft beige seating. A fire pit is situated in the foreground, with flames adding warmth and ambience. The lighting creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is modern minimalist with a touch of natural beauty. A spacious outdoor kitchen area, hyperrealistic style. Large, dark gray granite countertops with wooden cabinetry, warm brown tones, contrasting with black metal accents and hardware. The kitchen island/countertop extends to the patio. The outdoor setting is surrounded by lush green gardens, various plants, herbs, and greenery. Glass doors and windows of a modern house provide a backdrop, with a view of the interior. The lighting is warm and diffused, casting natural and ambient light. Wooden patio furniture and planters with fresh herbs and plants add to the scene. Includes a stovetop element, sink, and built-in storage. A spacious outdoor kitchen area, nestled in a lush garden setting. Impressionistic, but with a high degree of detail. Wooden planks, both for the wall and the decking, have a rich, golden brown hue. The cabinetry and appliances are stainless steel, with a cool gray tone that contrasts nicely with the warm wood. An extensive vertical garden, filled with vibrant green foliage, covers a section of the wood wall. Multiple shelves, also in wood, are integrated into the wall, displaying various potted plants and herbs. A wine cooler is a dark bronze color, adding an accent to the scene. A wooden dining table with chairs sits adjacent to the kitchen area. The garden is full of greenery, with various shades of green plants surrounding the space. A modern, minimalist Japanese-style kitchen and garden space. Hyperrealistic rendering. Light wood cabinetry with warm golden tones, contrasted by dark gray stone countertops and floors. Large, smooth, gray stones and gravel form a Zen garden path leading to the kitchen. Lush green trees and foliage surround the space. Natural light filters through the trees into the kitchen. The ceiling is a light honey-colored wood. View from the garden looking into the kitchen. Emphasis on clean lines, natural materials, and peaceful ambience. A spacious, modern kitchen with a lush, tropical garden setting. A cascading waterfall feature runs down a rock face, adding a touch of natural beauty to the interior. The kitchen features a large, natural wooden island countertop, sculpted like a tree trunk, and dark gray stone countertops. The walls are dark gray or black, and there are shelves with spices and dishes on them. A living wall of moss and greenery decorates one wall. Large windows frame the lush garden outside. The floor is light brown wood planks. The lighting is natural, with indirect sunlight coming through the windows, creating a warm, inviting ambience. A rustic, cozy kitchen in a unique, earth-toned home. The walls are a vibrant, warm orange-yellow, with a rough, textured surface reminiscent of adobe. Wooden beams and timbers span the ceiling, adding a sense of warmth and age. The kitchen features a large arched window with a view of the trees outside, and a stone-built, curved hearth. Rustic wooden cabinetry and countertops with a natural wood grain contrast beautifully with the orange walls, and are complemented by stainless steel appliances. Various shelves feature decorative items, including jars, mugs, and plants creating an eclectic and inviting atmosphere. A spacious, open-plan indoor-outdoor living area with a modern concrete and wood kitchen. The space seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor environments through large glass walls that showcase lush greenery. The kitchen features a concrete island and dark cabinetry contrasted by warm, light brown wooden cabinets. The living area has comfortable light gray sofas with orange throw pillows, a coffee table, and a woven area rug. Sunlight streams through the large windows, illuminating the space in a warm golden hue. The overall aesthetic is contemporary and natural, with a focus on clean lines and natural materials. There is a skylight which adds to the airy feel of the space. A modern outdoor living space featuring a covered patio with large glass windows overlooking a lush green garden. The patio area includes a built-in kitchen with a stone fireplace, a seating area, and a swimming pool. The architectural style is contemporary, with dark gray stone and black metal accents. The lighting is warm, creating a cozy ambience, and the pool reflects the surrounding environment. The colors are predominantly dark gray, muted earth tones, and warm browns from the timber ceiling and fire. The image has a hyperrealistic aesthetic. Include large trees and foliage in the background that create a sense of depth and natural beauty. A spacious, light-filled modern Japanese-style home interior with an open-plan design. The concrete walls and light beige wooden floors and cabinetry create a bright and airy atmosphere. Large sliding glass doors showcase a lush garden courtyard with trees and landscaping within the home. The interior features a kitchen, a fireplace, and a lounging area with tatami mats. The color palette is warm and neutral, with off-white walls, light brown wood accents, and green foliage. Impressionistic, but with hyper-realistic details in the textures of the materials. Include a skylight that brings natural light deep into the space. Show a gentle flow from the garden area through to the interior spaces. A rustic outdoor kitchen, nestled beneath a thatched bamboo roof, overlooking a lush mountain landscape. The kitchen features wooden cabinets and a tiled backsplash, in vibrant, colorful patterns reminiscent of traditional Mexican pottery. A unique patterned rug with orange, yellow, and blue floral designs sits on a gray stone patio floor. A simple, wooden daybed with colorful throw pillows offers a relaxing seating area below a covered patio. Warm natural light bathes the space. The overall style is bohemian, with a touch of rustic charm.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.